Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 30% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 30% discount. Here's how you do it in just 3 easy steps. Let's enter the original price of $1,357 into our calculator. Press the multiply button and multiply by 70. Now, you may be wondering, why do we multiply by 70? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 30% discount means you're paying 30% less than the original price. So, if you take 30% away from 100%, you are left with 70%. In other words, paying 70% of the original price means you are saving 30%. So, by multiplying the original price by 70, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 70% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila! The final amount after 30% off is $949.90. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item this time priced at $2,450. So let's enter that into our calculator, 2,450. Press the multiply button and we multiply by 70. And then we press the percentage button. So after a 30% off, the final price comes in to be $1,715. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks. A fast and easy way to calculate 30% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.